Hello friends, myself Shikha Duggar, working as an assistant professor in Biani Group of Colleges, welcomes you all on behalf of gurukpo.com. Today, my topic will be the contemporary topic in HRM, that is 720-degree performance appraisal. First of all, I would like to tell you what is performance appraisal. Performance appraisal is the evaluating or assessing the performance of an employee once or twice in a year to appraise or to give the feedback of that particular employee working in an organization. It is the overall summary of the what an employee has done in past 6 months or say past 1 year, and that appraisal is known as performance appraisal. According to that feedback, the employees promotion or salary improvement, bonuses and incentives are determined. Now, there are various methods of how the performance can be appraised by an organization. They are majorly divided into two parts, that is traditional methods and modern methods. The latest modern method was 360-degree performance appraisal, and now this is the upcoming method which now the companies, the MNCs are going to use. Some of them have already applied this performance appraisal system, 720-degree performance appraisal. That means two times 360-degree appraisal. Now 360-degree appraisal is 360-degree is like this. 360-degree is an employee is here. He's been appraised by his subordinates, his superiors, himself, self-appraisal, with the peers or colleagues, with the customers, with the suppliers and all. That means the overall evaluation of an employee by himself, self-appraisal, by subordinates, by superiors, by customers, these are outsiders, customers, suppliers, by the peers or the colleagues, that means on the same level in an organization. If this will be done twice at different time period, at different time frame, then it is known as 720-degree performance appraisal. That means first of all, after coordinating or after connecting with the connecting employees with rest of the department, with rest of the employees, his feedback is taken by himself, by customers, by suppliers, by colleagues, by superiors, by subordinates. And after that, on that time, the feedback is given to him, some targets are set for future, and the time period is also given. And after that time period, his feedback is taken again, that is 360-degree appraisal again, that is called 720-degree performance appraisal. Now, what are the dimensions of performance appraisal, 720-degree performance appraisal? The dimensions are pre-appraisal feedback. As I have already told that before appraisal, this feedback is taken by all of the employees, all of the colleagues, all of the superiors, subordinates and the employee himself about what he has already done. After that, self-appraisal is also done, peers and colleagues, customer appraisal, subordinates, managers, and after that, post-appraisal. This is done again. 360-degree is still here only. This is added in post-appraisal. The last one is post-appraisal. This is 720-degree appraisal. After this all appraisal, the targets are set. Targets are given to him and time frame is also given to him. After that time frame, how much targets he has fulfilled, he has achieved, it is seen in this post appraisal, and according to that his performance is appraised. According to that his bonuses, his incentive, his future salary is decided. This is known as 720-degree performance appraisal. And what is the difference between 360-degree and 720-degree performance appraisal? What is the importance of 720-degree appraisal above 360-degree appraisal? Nowadays, many organizations have already used this. Although this is a very good method that overall appraisal is done, but after feedback, after the targets are set, again if it is done, then that is more refined appraisal of an employee and the correct data can be given to them. So 720-degree appraisal is more better than 360-degree appraisal, provided the time, cost and money which the organization have and the HR manager has. This is all about the 720-degree performance appraisal. Thank you.